So here's my Apple Watch. I was really excited to buy this, so finally I bought it on this Republic Day sale from Amazon. So here it is. It came in a box. This is the box. It came in this box. So I've opened it already. I forgot to do the video. Now here's the watch, and here's the dial and the battery charger, I guess. So let's open this first. Here's an arrow, as you can see, a small arrow. So I'll have to open it from this side. So here it is. Wow, I'm damn excited, man. Ta-da! It's here. How is it? There's a band. Here are two bands, and I think this is extra. This one is extra one. Let's keep it here. I'm not opening it anymore. So now we'll open the dial and the charger. Let's see. Again, here's an arrow. Here's an arrow. I'll have to open it from here, tear it down. See? So let's open it. I'm damn excited. Hope everyone is along with me. Here it is. It's written designed by Apple in California. This is an awesome looking dial, as expected. It's beautiful.
Start.
See, isn't it sexy? My God, I can't wait to wear it. So I've already put this one. Now it's time for this one. Let's see.
Start.
Fine, so it's done. Now the main part, I'll just see how is it looking in my hand.